Hello guys! As you may know, XAI has recently released a new model, Grok 3. It is the best model in the world across many benchmarks. In this video, we will do a coding battle between XAI's best model, Grok 3, and OpenAI's best model, O3 Mini, across 3 different phases. Later in the video, there will be a very interesting website design and Pac-Man coding game test as well. So, let's start. This is the coding test results sheet, O3 Mini vs Grok 3. Rules. This is an expert-level Python coding test between O3 Mini and Grok 3. We will evaluate the coding proficiency of O3 Mini and Grok 3 by asking 3 expert-level questions. We will give 1 point per level pass to each AI chatbot. Each AI will have 1 opportunity to fix a bug if encountered. However, I may provide more opportunities to monitor whether these models can fix bugs, with a maximum of 3 attempts for bug fixes. We will share scores and detailed feedback. So, let's start. Let's select expert-level Python questions. Eat a bit Python challenges. Let's try this question. Copy the question and paste it into O3 Mini first. We are using the O3 Mini API on POE.com. Wait, it is generating an answer. Here is the answer. Let's check it. It's a pass. 1 point to O3 Mini. Now, let's present the same question to Grok 3. As you can see, this is the Grok 3 model. Wait. Let it generate an answer. It is very fast in thinking. Let's check it. It's a pass. 1 point to Grok 3. Let's try the second question. Copy the question and paste it into O3 Mini first. Wait. Here is the answer. Let's check it. It is getting an error, maybe due to the use of an older Python version. Let's copy the error into O3 Mini first. Wait. New code is generated. Still facing an error. So, let's ask O3 Mini for a fix. This will be last attempt at fixing the issue as per the rules, since the previous error was due to a Python version issue. Let's check it. It is now a pass. So, 1 point to O3 Mini. Now, let's try the same question with Grok 3. Let it generate an answer. Answer is generated. Let's check it. It is getting an error, again due to the use of an older Python version. Let's copy the error into Grok 3. Wait. New code is generated. Still facing an error. So, let's ask Grok 3 again for a fix. As mentioned before, this will be last attempt at fixing the issue as per the rules, since the previous error was due to a Python version issue. Let's check it. Still not fixed. It is now a fail. So, 0 points to Grok 3. Let's try the third question. Let's try the question with O3 Mini. Let it generate an answer. Let's check it. It's a pass. So, 1 point to O3 Mini. Copy the question and paste it into Grok 3. Wait for the answer. Answer is generated. Let's check it. It's a pass. 1 point to Grok 3. Final scores. O3 Mini is the winner. However, Grok 3 is almost at the same level as O3 Mini in these tests. Website design test. Let's start with Grok 3. This is a prompt for a ChatGPT-like interface that uses Gemini's free API to chat without login. I asked for an HTML file. Let's wait. Here is the code. Now, let's try it. Let's add the API key. Now, let's try it. It is working. It is replying to our inputs. But it is not exactly like ChatGPT, so let's ask one more time for a better interface. Let's wait. Here is the new code. Let's test it. See? It is replying to our inputs. It is working and better than the last one, but still not exactly like a ChatGPT interface. However, it is great and functional. So, Grok 3 passed the test. Now, let's try O3 Mini with the same prompt. Wait. The code is here. As you can see on the canvas, it is not like ChatGPT. So let's ask one more time for a better interface. Wait. Here is the new code. Let's test it. Adding the API key. Testing. See? It is not replying to our inputs, even though the API is correct. Meanwhile, the Grok generated one is working. So, O3 Mini failed the test. Result: Grok 3 is the winner. Pac-Man game test. Let's start with Grok 3. I am writing a prompt for a professional, complete Pac-Man style snake game. Let's wait. Here is the code. Now, let's try it. I am able to play. It has issues, as you can see, only one ghost, a small playfield, and a small screen. It is not professional and far from perfect. So, Grok 3 failed here. Now, let's try OpenAI's O3 Mini model. Using the same prompt. Waiting. Here is the code. Trying. It is working, but the ghost is not moving. There are many issues, such as the small playfield, and the main problem is that no ghosts are moving. It is also not perfect. So, O3 Mini is also a failure. Result: a tie in the Pac-Man game test. Both models are not perfect in this task. So, according to me, both models do not generate a zero-bug Pac-Man game that one can play. It is difficult to choose a winner here, as both models made mistakes in the code. You can tell which version is better in the comments. Conclusion. In conclusion, as you have seen, Grok 3 also has some flaws and is not perfect in coding. However, in website design, Grok 3 performed better than O3 Mini. It was also faster in thinking and replying. So, Grok 3 is a great coder and outperformed O3 Mini in some specific coding tasks. You can use both models depending on the task. Use Grok 3 for website development and O3 Mini for Python tasks. That's all. Thanks for watching.